Hello student, welcome back. I hope all are fine. Today we are here to discuss our second lesson of moral science, and as you can see the name of the chapter is sharing is good. So students, first of all I want to give a short introduction of this chapter. And what is the topic? It is sharing is good. Students, do you know what does it mean? Sharing means give a portion of something to other is called sharing. Sharing is good because it is good to share thing with other. It makes us happy and it makes other happy too. If you will share the things with other, then they will also share with you. Sharing teaches us about compromise and happiness. It is a vital life skill. Understood? Students, not only does sharing bring us joy, it teaches us the importance of taking care of others also. Those simple words can often make someone feel special and cared for others. Sharing is caring. It means that if you will share with that person, you actually care for the person. For example, food you share with another person because you do not want to lose that person and you do not want that person to get hungry. So, student, we people share because we feel some sort of emotional connection. I will give you more examples through this story. So, let's start the story. Once upon a time, there was an elephant called Jojo. She loved to draw. Jojo enjoyed drawing on the walls of mountain. She drew her favorite mango tree. She drew the clouds in the sky and the pond from which she drank water. She drew her friend the egret. Students, here means Jojo is the name of elephant. Understood? And she loved to draw picture. Jojo too much enjoyed drawing on the walls of mountain, and she drawing a picture of her favorite mango tree. She drew cloud in the sky and the pond from which she always drank water, and last she also draw the picture of her friend the egret. Here egret is the name of Jojo's friend. Understood? Now let's come in second para. You draw so well, said the other animals, but there is something missing in your drawing, said an old elephant. There is no color in what you draw. Jojo was sad. How do I bring color to my drawing? Means here all animals appreciate Jojo's drawing, but an old elephant said there is a missing of color. There is no color. And after hearing this word, Jojo became sad and she said, how do I bring color to my drawing? Now the third paragraph. Here said the sky, let me share some blue with you. And the sky touched the tip of Jojo brush with blue. Splash, the blue went into the pool drawn on the side of the mountain. The other liked the idea of sharing. The mango tree gave Jojo green, while the flowers gave red, pink, and yellow. Then the sky says that I would share some blue color with you, and then the sky touched tip of the Jojo's brush with blue color. Then the blue color goes on splashing in the pool built on the side of the mountain. The rest liked the idea of color sharing. Then the mango tree shared green color with Jojo, and the flower gave her red, pink, and yellow colors. So like this way they all helped Jojo. Understood, student? And from that day Jojo's drawing were full of color. This made everyone happy. Even the sky, the trees, and the flower were happy. So, students, from this chapter, we learn how to share the things. Children, relationships are not where you find happiness. It is where you share happiness. Sharing is good because sharing gives you a sense of responsibility toward the society, and when you share it shows your care, and people love to be around you for your positive thinking. By sharing we learn to sacrifice for some greater good to someone else, which makes you humble and caring. It is not only shows that you care for other but also help in self development as a human being. It makes you selfless, humble toward other by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. So the best way to multiply your happiness is to share it with others. Understood? Sharing is something shared. Sharing is something shared, while caring is the act of one who cares. So let's share because sharing is caring. Understood? So now let's come in next page. So student, there is exercise. Now the chapter is over. We will do exercise here. First, what was missing from Jojo's drawing? Color was missing from Jojo's drawing. Okay. Second, what did the sky give Jojo? Sky gave the blue color to Jojo. What did the mango tree share with Jojo? Mango tree share green color with Jojo. Who gave red, pink and yellow to Jojo? Flowers gave red, pink and yellow to Jojo. How did everyone feel after sharing the color? Everyone feel very happy after sharing the color. Understood? Now in the second exercise we will come here. Put a tick to show sharing. Here you can see the picture. There are two friends. They are sharing umbrella. In one umbrella both are here. So it means they are sharing. We will put a tick here. And second picture you can see two friends are there. They are reading book together, and books, they both are sharing book, so we can put a tick here. Now third one, two students are eating lunch together and they are sharing lunch with each other, so we can put a tick here. Now the last one, two friends are fighting for toys, so we can put a cross here. Why? Because they both are fighting. Now in the next page you can see there is a picture. Here is a beautiful picture. Share color with your friend and fill the picture with color to make it more beautiful. Means here you have to color this picture, and here you, in this line is mentioned, you have to share color with your friend also, and put a color in this drawing and make this beautiful picture. Okay, so students, and last I want to say, if you have any problem regarding this chapter, any question related to this chapter, you can knock for it. So we'll see you in next class. Thank you.